Welcome students to class 9 History Chapter 1 The French Revolution Part 3. In this part we will learn about the women during the revolution, abolition of slavery and revolution and everyday life. So pay attention. Women were active participants in the revolution but were given as passive citizens. Their wages were lower than that of men. They hoped the revolutionary government would improve their life for better education and job training. The new government did make schools for girls compulsions. Marriage was in a contract to be entered with a free will, and divorce was made legal. Women could now train for jobs, become artisans, and run now small businesses. The Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women was the most famous among the 60 women's clubs. Most of the women of the Third Estate had to work for a living. Working women had also to take care of for their families, that is, cook, fetch water, queue up for bread, and look after their children. The women demanded the same political rights as men, like the right to vote, be elected in the assembly, and hold offices. The government disappointed these clubs, foreseeing closure, and the executive a number of prominent women. In the next slide, we can see about a prominent woman, that is Olympe She led this protest of women, critiqued the Jacobin government, and laid her life for the same. Their struggles continued for the next 200 years until 1946, a year before India's independence. They finally got the power to vote. Olympe was one of the most important of the politically active women in the French Revolution. She protested against the Constitution and the Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen. In the year 1793, Olympe criticized the Jacobin government for forcibly closing down women's clubs. She was tried by the National Convention, which charged her with treason. Soon after this, she was executed, means she was sentenced to death. Abolition of slavery. Slavery was big business that started in the 17th century. For the rising demand of the coffee, the triangular trade, that is, indigo, sugar, and tobacco, was set up between Europe, America, and Africa. Introducing the abolition of slavery meant losing support of big businessmen. By the time in the year 1794, slavery was abolished, but for the only 10 years. Here we see the revolution and everyday life. Revolution's biggest impact or source was towards the freedom of speech and free press. Without censorship, freedom to express was now a natural right. Newspapers, pamphlets, books, printed pictures were available in France to know about the events. Public opinions and opposing views found a medium through print. Mass communication of ideas by political philosophers was now not just limited to a handful of people. Plays, songs, and festive processions attracted large number of people. In the year 1804, Napoleon crowned himself as the Emperor of France. He saw himself as a modernizer. People initially believed that he was a liberator, but soon people realized that he was an invading force, means capturing neighboring countries. Law to protect private properties were his contribution, alongside standardized weights and measures through decimal systems. Though defeated at Waterloo in the year 1815, his impact was big on the world history. The ideas of liberty and democratic rights were the most important thing of the French Revolution. During this revolution, the feudal system or the landlord system was abolished. India took few revolutionary ways of France to put together its own constitution. Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Tipu Sultan were among the many Indians who took inspirations from this French Revolution. With this, we come to an end to the French Revolution. Thank you.